Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Gabriel here. Today I will be taking you through some tips on where to find Epic credential jobs. And actually this is how I found mine. So the first thing you want to do is create a LinkedIn. Once you have a LinkedIn, you want to join the Epic Implementation Professionals group. To do that, you're going to go to my network, you're going to go into search, and then you're going to search Epic Implementation Professionals. Right? So click on the first one there. And then you will have a button called join. So you're going to click join for this group right here for the implementation professionals. Once you do that, they have to approve you. Like it takes a couple days for them to approve your request to join the group. And there's no barriers to join this. Honestly, anyone can join. I was able to join without any Epic experience, apart from just using Epic. So once you're in the group, right, once you join, once they let you in, you're going to see a lot of jobs pertaining to Epic analyst, Epic credential roles, things like that. So this is the first example right here. This person, Tyvan Harpin, he is looking for a 2-week Epic Go Live, which Epic Go Lives are when a healthcare organization is transitioning into Epic. So they're, let's say they started from all scripts, like a different EHR, and then they're going to move it over to Epic. So this is the kind of job I actually got into to get my credentialed in training. So this one, like I mentioned, they're looking for credentialed or go live trainers for the following dates. So a lot of times you're going to see that. So it's going to be jobs that are just temporary, right? So they're contract jobs, since they don't need like 100 trainers all at once for for a couple of years, right? So they just need it for a couple weeks. So this one is from May 22nd to June 2nd, okay? So once you have your LinkedIn account, make sure you set up your profile, with your Epic experience, your resume, things like that. And you actually want to start messaging these people, right? Or this recruiter. So you can follow them, and then you can DM them if they follow you back, or you can just leave a comment in their post. You don't have to be a trainer before getting these jobs, because most of the times they're just looking for a lot of people. Although you won't be getting paid that much, you will be getting paid in the experience that you get from getting credentialed by their principal trainers. This is another one. They're looking for 3 Epic jobs, which they need immediately, and these are actually fully remote. So this one, they need certified people. So you are going to see a lot of posts saying that certified people is what they need, but I just want to show you that there is a lot of job postings in this LinkedIn group. All right, I'm not sure what that is. Another group that I recommend is the Epic Professionals. Even though it just says certified and credentialed, I still recommend it to join this group. So another place that I would look at is if you go to Dice. I'm not sure if you guys heard of Dice. So if you go to Dice jobs, then we can do a job search right here. So find jobs in technology. So Dice is a place where you can find technology jobs as well. So if you just put in here Epic Credential, or Epic Credential Trainer, because that's the easiest Epic job that you can get, honestly. So we're gonna search for jobs here, doing this thinking, and then let's have a look. We have this one here that's an analyst one. Let's see if they'll provide certification for you or not. So we can just read the full job description. Salary 70,000 to 90,000. And let me see. So the fastest way to find out if they're willing to certify you or not is to just keep going down the job description, and then there will be a section that tells you if you can get certification. Let's see. Experience. Oh, right here. So look, Epic certificate training status preferred, or ability to acquire an Epic certificate training status within 90 days of completed training. So wherever you see that, like ability to acquire Epic certificates, anywhere you see an ability to acquire Epic certifications within 90 days, anywhere in the job postings, that's the ones that you can apply to, that you don't need to be certified. They'll certify you. So this is a good one that you can apply to if you live in Washington, or actually anyone can apply to this because you can work from home. So just make sure that sometimes these work from home jobs, they want you to be at a specific state. So if you're in another state, they won't allow you to work there. So you want to check that out. Oh, look, junior cadence build analyst. Also, when you see junior, those also certify you. But we want to double check by looking at the section where it tells you, oh, so this one, it does require for you to have a cadence certification. But it pays up to 90,000, right? It's pretty cool. So if you get, if you get your certification, like the one you see right there, you're honestly worth so much, and ChatGPT is not going to take your job. So all the EHR data, all the Epic build that you learn cannot be trained. Like, it's closed source. Epic is a private entity, like it's not a publicly traded company. So they have a lot of trade secrets, and these ChatGPT and artificial intelligence machines can't actually access their data. So your job is not going to be replaced if you decide to become an Epic analyst. The only thing is that it's hard to get into, but once you're in, honestly, it's so rewarding. Right, let's see if we can find another one. So a lot of these are also like consulting companies, and most of the time they don't certify you. But the one that I worked for, which was Atos, they did certify me. So it's a hit or miss for those. Oh, look, it says it here: current active certification, specific Epic product, or ability to obtain certification within 1 year. So this is another one that you can do. Only those lawfully, okay, whatever. You don't need to know that. And this one's on site. So also, that's another thing you want to keep. Another thing that will separate you from the rest is if you apply for the on-site ones, you are more likely to get those jobs because everyone's just looking for remote jobs when it comes to Epic, right? So look for those on-site jobs, the ones that are nearby, near your wherever you work, your location, and especially look out for the hospitals that are currently transitioning into Epic, because those are the ones that need these trainers. And a lot of times hospitals don't want to pay like so much money for experienced trainers, right? So what they do is what they did in my example is they just hire a bunch of people that have no previous experience. Even though they'll pay you very little, you learn so much, and then they also win by not having to pay an experienced trainer. They can be worth up to like honestly the same as an analyst, like $70,000-$90,000. And if it's a shorter contract, so if they're contract, they're actually paid more too. So you got to make sure to understand that. And yeah, so the best thing you want to do, I'll break it down just five steps. So 1, create your LinkedIn profile. 2, join the Epic Implementation Professionals group. 3, look through job postings there. So, and if you don't see that they say requires certification or requires credential, then you message them, you email them, or you even comment on their post, right? So do all of that, and once you've done that, you look into other job posting sites like Dice, which is technology based, and you're going to look for jobs that say that they will certify you within a year, within 90 days, things like that, right? So those are the jobs that you want to apply to. And also the last one, which I mentioned, which is I believe the most important one, if you want your likelihood to increase, is to apply for hospitals that are transitioning to Epic, right? So, and especially if it's on site, right? Because if you can be a trainer and you can work from anywhere in the country, then everyone's gonna apply for it, right? So you want to look for ones that are near your home, near where you live, even if it's like a 2-hour drive. Apply for those. You have a higher likelihood of getting those jobs because they want people that are local, right? Put yourself in their shoes, right? You're a doctor learning a new system, it's very complicated, and then someone comes in from another state. They don't know anything about your population. They don't take you as serious. So I believe that's the reason why they want to have like on-site, local people to train them. That's the biggest takeaway from this video. You want to apply to those on-site, local, Epic credential trainer jobs. Okay, like I mentioned, that's how I got into Epic, and I know that's how you can get into Epic as well. and then you can get one of these after it. Because once you get a credential, you're much more marketable to other companies that want to hire analysts, or even within the company. If you do such a good job training, they're willing to bring you on board to get certified. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry I haven't posted earlier, and I appreciate every one of you guys watching my videos. I know they're not that great, but I'm slowly trying to get better at YouTube. And even though I have, I don't want to put excuses, but I am working full time and I am pursuing my master's degree at the same time. So it's a little hard to put out these videos, but I know that they're very helpful for everyone watching them. And that's the reason why I still strive to push videos at least once a week. So once again, thank you guys. And if you're new here, please subscribe. And I will be posting more tips on how to become an Epic analyst. Thank you guys.